Hello everyone, welcome to Local Life Outdoors. Down here fishing for crappie this morning in the rain. It's raining. Supposed to have some pretty bad rain, but I wanted to go fishing. So guys, stay tuned. Oh, dog is rain. It's pouring down out here, guys, but I wanted to come fishing. I want to do a little bit of crappie fishing today in the rain just to see if I can catch anything. As long as the thunder and lightning don't get to popping, I'm okay. I don't mind getting wet in the rain fishing. Everybody takes a shower. So what's the difference? So hopefully we can get on a little bit of fish this morning. Maybe this rain will pass over in the next hour or so. It's raining cats and dogs out here. Look at there, guys, in the rain. You can see the fish jumping out here in the water this morning. Probably a lot of mudfish. I don't know. Seeing a couple panfish kind of flapping the water. This rain has stopped for right this minute. Just sprinkling just a little bit, not bad. Guys, look at that crappie. That's a slab right there. It's around 14, 15 inches right there. I don't know what this thing is. What's that, a pike? Got some teeth, I know that. Got some teeth, I know that. Caught a shell cracker, guys. Those small crappie guys. Dead river bait, guys. Swallowed it, guys. See what I can do here, guys. I got a mudfish, guys. See what I can do with this thing. Yeah. Mudfish wanting to bite, ain't they? So I can get him off. Ah, dog, aggravating. Drop my pliers in the water. Drop my needle nose, my good ones. Yeah. Guys, the crappie's not want to do a whole lot today. I got some, caught a couple brim and a shell cracker. And the mudfish is wanting to bite. I've caught a couple mudfish. So the water's so low down here today, I can't even get into where I usually go. So I'm just fishing, just getting away from the house and trying to make a pretty good video if possible. But it's making it hard for me today. But I'm still enjoying it. Every day can't be a good day far as catching fish. Some of these crappie was laying up on one of these edges, up under these brush tops, up under these tree limbs today. I've caught some of them just on a throw rod, you know, just throwing with a rod and reel, kind of retrieving it slow. Welcome back to Local Life Outdoors. We're gonna go ahead and end this video here. I was able to catch some crappie in the pouring down rain this morning. When we got here, it was pouring down. It was raining cats and dogs. You couldn't even hardly see. It was raining so hard at one time, and I was out here fishing. I wanted to go though. I've been waiting all week to go. This first chance I had to go all week, so I wasn't gonna miss it. As long as the thunder and lightning wasn't popping, I was going fishing. We was able to catch some. I caught some nice crappie today. Didn't catch a whole lot, but the ones I did catch, they were some nice fish. Able to catch a shell cracker and a few brim and a few mudfish. And one fish, I really don't know what it was. If you know what kind of fish it was, leave a comment below. I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel and helping me support the channel. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers now. I'm at 820 something subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for the support. Thanks for watching Local Life Outdoors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Have a good one.